Hi there, my name is Danielle Dallas-Russa, and I'm the CEO and founder of Lunar. My grandfather was on Apollo 14. His legacy profoundly shaped who I am, teaching me to literally shoot for the stars. After interning at NASA and spending 10 years in the entertainment industry, I combined my passions for space exploration and entertainment, and thus the Lunar Light was born. The Lunar Light is an immersive space experience that blends live theater, cutting-edge virtual reality, escape room puzzles, and hands-on experiments to give everyone the feeling of going to space. And people loved it. We sold out shows, received national media recognition, and most importantly, our mission specialists rated us 5 stars. Literally, we do not have one review under 5 stars. Now we need your help to grow and expand, giving more people the opportunity to go to the moon. As I mentioned, the best part is we've already done it twice. We opened in Dallas in early 2024 for an 8-week run operating out of shipping containers. We set up in an abandoned parking lot and we got to work. We learned so much about audiences, what worked, what didn't. We learned about immersive flow. We solved VR tech problems, and ultimately we built an incredible show. After Dallas, we moved to Los Angeles, and by that point we were firing on all cylinders. We had an incredible team of actors. We were open for 10 months. We were constantly iterating and making the show better, which is what we're doing again right now. I had such a great time watching people go through the experience. I saw firsthand people with little to no interest in space exploration leave with stars in their eyes.
I just did the Lunar Light Discovery and it was truly the best experience ever. You have to try it.
This was truly the best experience that I have done ever.
So immersive, so realistic. You're gonna love it. Trust me, just do it.
We also saw accidental education in real time. Did you know that Neil deGrasse Tyson credits a planetarium visit at 9 years old for igniting his passion for space? Mae Jemison was inspired to become an astronaut because of Star Trek. There are so many examples of how entertainment can change lives, and that is what you are helping bring to life today. Which takes us to 2.0. We are expanding our capabilities so we can have more people experience space. We're upgrading the virtual reality. We're ditching the shipping containers and moving to a freestanding set designed for moving. Now, for the big reveal, we are moving to the Space Coast. This is information hot off the press, and I'm beyond excited because this is where my own grandfather launched to the moon in 1969. Having built this from the ground up, we are more focused, more intentional, and more experienced. We know this arena. We know that these changes are going to be a huge effort, but we also know that we can do this because we have done it before. Hair flip. But I can't wrap up this video without talking about what's in it for you. Guys, we've got some amazing rewards. Please go look at what we're offering. Just to list a few, we got a Buzz Aldrin signed photo, some Luna Aqua swag, and a 0G flight. I've done it before and it was incredible. And also, we're not selling season tickets anywhere but here. If you get season tickets but don't live close to the experience, fear not. You can donate them to the local community or transfer them to a friend. Thank you so much for believing in the power of entertainment to inspire all of us to look up to the stars. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you for donating.